What are you doing, Luke? You picking up those little seeds? Careful. You gonna bring those to Mama? Your daddy's crazy. Come here, bring this to Mama. Thank you. Oh, where'd they go? There they are. Thank you.
A beetle?
Is it? You're such a jerk.
It's a seed.
I know it is now. Very funny. Very funny, Daddy.
Mama's silly.